Guys, I know I've been zooming in and out some. I just feel like it makes it more interesting, but it doesn't really look that good, so I'm not going to be doing that anymore. Guys, this is my dog Night, and this is my dog Candy. So guys, this is my bird feeder right here. These are my bird feeders. Then this is my apple tree. Then we also have another bird feeder right here. Guys, look. There's a squirrel up there. See him? The squirrel's right there now. Look, there's birds on the bird feeder. You see them? Look, now there's 2 birds on the bird feeder. Now there's only 1. Guys, I know it might be the first time showing my face, but I don't know if you could see it, but there was a bird on the bird feeder. Just guys, let me know if you want, because I'm thinking about making a YouTube channel about like drones, like flying drones and seeing like sky views of things with the drone and putting it on YouTube. So like some YouTubers do. So just let me know. I'll see you guys later. So guys, this is what my room looks like. It's normal. It's a little bit messy though. So I'll see you guys later. And guys, this is what my bike looks like. This is what I'm gonna be riding certain places to explore in the on the trails and stuff and show you guys things. Guys, this is Taffy and Bailey. They're not our dogs though. They're my grandparents' dogs. We're just keeping them for like the weekend. So guys, this is the creek I used to go in a long time ago, like maybe a year ago. And this is the creek that I had played in with my friends and everything. I'm kind of reposting a little bit of the same content, so if there's any new viewers on this channel, they know where to go. They know what we've done so far. And also, maybe for the new viewers, this is also what I had planted when I was really young with my dad. It's a maple tree. Guys, I might be doing a giveaway. Like when I get enough money and stuff, I might be doing some giveaways every so often. Guys, that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow.